Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome back to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at the Endless Falls Paracord Bracelet. This is a nice looking foundation bracelet. And for this project, you'll need about 6 feet of paracord for your main cord and 4 feet for your accent cord, plus a clasp. You'll also want scissors and a lighter to trim and finish your ends. Attach your paracord to one side of your buckle with a girth hitch, and then pass the accent cord through the center of the girth hitch as shown here. At this stage, we're only going to tie onto one side of the buckle. Arrange the cords so the core strands stay in the middle and the working cords are on the sides. Whichever color you have tied to the buckle with the girth hitch will be your center or your endless falls. Now, take the left and right cords and bend them behind the core strands to create a sort of loop. From there, take the right cord and wrap it around the loop you've created. Pass it from the back, up through the middle, and out the top. Then do the same with the left side. Now cinch all your cords tight, and this makes your first knot. Again, take the left and right cords and create another loop behind the core strands. And again, take the right cord and wrap it around the loop you've created, pass it from the back, up through the middle, and out the top. And then do the same with the left side. Cinch up the knot, and now you see the Endless Falls bracelet pattern starting. Keep repeating this weaving pattern until you near the end of the bracelet. Adjust and tighten each knot so the bracelet looks even, and continue until the bracelet is the length you need. When you near the end and you reach the length you want, pass the cords through the buckle at the other end. Thread the loose ends back into the last knot to lock them. Cut off the extra cord and carefully melt the ends with a lighter so they don't come undone. And when you're finished, you should have an Endless Falls paracord bracelet that looks something like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.